Do you wish there were pore strips for the whole face? Now you can remove blackheads and excess oil from any problem area of your body with an innovative and fun product from Leone, the Blackhead Removing Peel-Off Mask. This peel-off mask removes blackheads and dead skin cells, deep cleans pores, brightens and makes your skin baby smooth, works on any problem area, nose, chin, forehead, and even chest and back. Watch this quick tutorial on how to use it. First, wash your face and rinse away your cleanser with warm water. Gently pat your face dry with a towel. Apply an even layer of the black mask on the skin. Avoid eyes, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Wait 15 to 20 minutes or until the mask is completely dry. Gently remove the mask by lifting the outer edge and peeling towards the center. Blackheads and other impurities will be drawn out on the peeled-off mask, leaving your skin refreshed and glowing. One single tube will last you for months.